So, what did you guys think of the movie? Percy, you absolute genius. Wow! That was brilliant. Oh, well done, Percy. Nice job. Ah, thanks, Thomas. Where was I? Shh. Hey, Henry, thanks again for taking the express whilst I take Diesel 10 to, train jail. No problem, Gordon. I'll get you for this, you little... Shut up! Express coming through! It's not the express, but you know what I mean. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to catch my train now. I think it's over there. Yes. I do like riding trains and trams, after all. Yes, so do I. Got things to do. People to impress. Thank you for helping out, lady. It was my pleasure, Thomas. Thank you for helping me escape Diesel 10. It was nothing. And that's my cue. Gotta stay on time and everything. Bye, lady. I'll see you later. Bye, Thomas. See you later. Yes. He's a really useful engine. A little too useful. What do you mean? Well, that was my whistle. That was supposed to be me. And he's gone early. Whoops. Yeah, exactly. He's so cool. Who, Thomas or Toby? Well, both of them, obviously, but I was talking about Thomas. Wise words. Wise words. Woo! Go us! Peep peep! Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Nicholas Payne bonus content YouTube channel.